Knock, knock!
Who's there? That door!
Parappa, why would you burp at Beard Burgers now? Burger Master is mad at you now. Thoughts it? It's TAKOYAMA time.
I am a TAKOYAMA, I am a TAKOYAMA, I am a hairdresser in anger, I am a TAKOYAMA.